Hi, my name Brian Mina. I'm 23 years old. I'm university studying chemistry in the University of Nat. A happy guy, very social, adventurous, and lover party. I currently am living with my mother and brother. Look, this is my mother. Beautiful. I love you, Mom. Alright. This is my brother and me. And this is my beautiful baby, Sophie. Oh my God. This is my girlfriend. My beautiful honey. Look at us together. Next. This is my best friends. And this is my friends. I love you crazy. I love you crazy. Okay. Next. Look at my picture of my party. Of my birthday. Okay. Alright. 3 years ago, I went to San Andres Island. It was an amazing experience. It was so fun. It was so beautiful. And it was wonderful. Very wonderful. I got to fly on a plane for the first time. Nice experience. Next. When I go there, the beach, the ocean, in the breeze, is well clean. Okay, next. It's warm weather and windy. They have very little rain and mostly just sunny days. Look. They had a lot of things to do. When you go to visit San Andres, you should pack sunblock, sunglasses, and lights cloudy. Alright. Next. I don't recommend to swim on the ocean or work on the street after of my night. I don't recommend. Because it's not the best area. Alright? Because it's not the best area. I don't recommend. Alright. The end is to plan a trip you need to set a lot of money. Many money. And prepare with a good travel agency and search for affordable hotel. Okay? Alright? Thanks and take care.